right there. Download media, that first one. Perfect. Okay, I see where it's gonna go. I think I see where it's gonna go.
Okay, so I accept. I got it. Okay, so now I'm here. I go to download, which is this one. We got the 2 videos. Okay, that's what it says.
So hit download.
That's what I've been doing.
And then you see down there that little arrow with the blue that it's downloading?
Yes.
You're gonna click on that whenever it's done. Let's see if that's what we click on.
Well, why the heck they put something important down there, the smallest damn thing on the page? How's anybody supposed to see that?
Yes, mine doesn't even do a little circle like that.
What the heck? And it's not even flashing or nothing. Oh, there,
No
now it changes
flashing.
colors. All right, bada bing. So now I touch it.
So there are your downloads.
There are my downloads. So I click on downloads.
There it is. So click on one of those because now you have 3 on your phone.
That's fine. It's getting bigger each time. What's going on? What the hell? One of them's still clicking up, or no, maybe I interrupted it. That's what it was. Are we clicking that one?
Welcome to Cypresswood, Texas. This beautiful home has 4 bedrooms, room for your entire family. I'm Kevin Williams, the realtor in the Fedora. Check out my newest listing.
There we go. There's my square with the arrow at the bottom left.
Yep.
Yes, save video.
Okay. I'm telling you.
Woo!
You gotta make. You're really good, right? Totally good. Totally chop. I love your YouTube. You need to do this one.
Yes. Okay. Let's just post this one.
Yes, let's do that, because I'm not sure everybody knows what a Nimrod I am.
Yes, let's do it.
And I'm a good sport. I don't care.
Okay.
Okay. So
Okay,
now where have I
now
saved
you're going to Instagram. Now it's on your camera roll.
Okay.
Now